Businessman KUTYA Tagwirei believes recent remarks by ZANU-PF spokesperson Christopher Mutsvangwa not only misrepresented his legacy but also disrespected his long-standing contributions to both the party and the nation. Sanabina mashoko obuda panguva ino Tagwirei achiresponda kuma-claims aiwa ekunzi ari kuzama kuda kutenga influence mu the ruling party ZANU-PF. Don't subscribe or like it on the bell icon. Tipinda muna uzizere topina mpindula pana bamuda nekwamchinzi addressing a press conference in Harare. Mutsvangwa criticized Tagwirei's alleged approach of building political influence by distributing gifts, vehicles and cash, saying such tactics are unsustainable. He added that anyone with leadership ambitions should join the queue, pointing to his own decades-long journey in the ZANU-PF, from joining as teenager to still holding what he described as a humble position. In response, Tagwirei posted a statement on his official X account, Tagwirei, saying he is not new to the party and he has been a consistent supporter over the years. The statement reads, in quotes, "The recent commentary aimed at Dr. KUTYA Tagwirei remarks, which have not only misrepresented his legacy but disrespected his unwavering contributions to both ZANU-PF and the nation at large. Dr. Tagwirei is not new to ZANU-PF. His involvement spans years of active support, partnership, and strategic investment into programs that have benefited Zimbabweans directly. To suggest that he seeks to buy influence within the party or use personal resources to manipulate structures is both unfounded and ungrateful. Let us be clear. True patriots don't parade their allegiance, they demonstrate it. Dr. Tagwirei's role within this movement is one of substance, not spectacle. His actions speak in the upliftment of communities, the support of national goals, and the stability he helps reinforce during difficult times. We reject the notion that private sector involvement equates to manipulation. Instead, we affirm that it's a vital pillar for progress, and leaders like Dr. Tagwirei embody what it means to serve Zimbabwe outside of fanfare of political ambition. So let us not dishonor what he has been built. Let us not allow envy and misunderstanding to strain a legacy rooted in loyalty and nation building. Dr. Tagwirei is not a symptom, he is a solution, and Zimbabwe deserves to be led by those who serve first, speak second. Do mashoko anobuda panguva ino. Pinda comment section yedu kuti mafuro enyu mutikudipa msoro ya mashoko awa. Msangano subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.